Hello everyone, welcome to Trade Only in the Zone YouTube channel. In this video we are going to see Nifty and Bank Nifty view for this week, the short term and medium term. Long term view Nifty almost now it is in sideways range. So this is the right now the Nifty trading range. So it is continuously in this particular range. So now I'm expecting some good movement in the market since Nifty taken a retest now. So again one more fall I'm expecting in Nifty. So anyway we have to be in the sell side. Now there is no trade, so we have to wait for the breakout or again the 15,129. These are the levels to sell in higher time frame, like for the positional trades. So we'll see short term trade. So for short term now stop loss has been triggered for sell. So again if retest comes at 14,884, then we can go for a buy. The minimum target 1567 and the maximum target of 15,129. This is what I'm expecting in Nifty. So in case Nifty breaking again 14,823, then we can expect further fall. So otherwise we can be in bullish side. For the short term, like for intraday, we can be in bullish side. So once again I'm recalling the trends of Nifty. Like in the higher time frame it is in sell, so in the lower time frame it is in buy. So buy in the sense it's not a complete buy, so where we have to take only small trades. Small trades means, so now it is buy confirmation given, so if retest comes we can go for a buy, and our target must be minimum 1567 and maximum 15,129. These are the levels again. So from there again Nifty can come down. So this is what I'm expecting in Nifty, and we'll see Bank Nifty long term and short term views using our advanced GAN method. Since Nifty given clear signal for buy, but Bank Nifty still under the selling pressure. So this is the exact sell zone where I have already updated the levels. So 35,344 is the selling zone, so where we can expect a sell. So the breakout will be 35,721. So since I'm expecting a bearish view, so even if this taken out, please come out from the trade, then again re-enter when trigger this 34,969. Like I'll draw the imaginary. So if it has happened same, then you can go with the same direction. Like as of now it doesn't sell now, it is sell zone. So in case market taken sell and if it is falling further, then our target is minimum for 34,225. It is already updated, and the maximum 33,856. These are the targets. So in case market breaking this high, don't go buy, since I'm not complete bullish in Bank Nifty. Just exit your position and again wait for the market to hit this level. So if it level, then you can take a buy entry with stop loss of 34,969. So this is the level you are going to take a entry. See, once again I'm repeating this. So in case market taking this sell and if it is falling further, then you can enjoy your selling side. Keep this as a stop loss. So the other case, in case if stop loss is taken out, then what we have to do, exit your sell position and don't enter a buy at this retest area, because I'm expecting a sell. Better wait for one more breakout in the down. This has to be breakdown again. So this time you take aggressive sell here, or else you just wait for the retest and it can fall further. Anyway I'm in bearish side, so even if this stop loss taken out, I'll be exiting my position, because even market can move very violently in the upside. So we don't want to lose much. So whatever the loss, it is already fixed, so we have to give only that much of point to the market. So better wait for the sell. If aggressive traders take sell here, since Nifty bullish, so even Bank Nifty also can go further high, even it can go and hit stop loss also. But even if it is stop loss is taking out, then I'll be not worried since it is in sell mode. So I'll just exit my sell position here with a loss of 300-350 points, and again I'll wait for the selling opportunity, not for the buying opportunity. How it will be like, again the market comes down and hit the stop loss here, then I will be selling at retest. So again there will be a fall further. So this is what my view is. So we can expect the bearish wave for the complete week. So complete week I'm expecting a bearish. Even it can give some sideways momentum. So technically, if you are seeing here, there was a trend line breakout and market is falling here. So again there may be a pullback, and again it can fall further. So this is what I'm expecting in the Bank Nifty. So be in the sell side, that is advisable. So trade with stop loss. Please don't trade without stop loss, since market giving sudden movement very violently. So if you are trading without stop loss, then your capital can also possible to wash out. So better trade with the stop loss. I given a clear stop loss. Bank Nifty, this is a stop loss for selling. So in case stop loss it, please exit your position and again wait for the selling opportunity. Like it has to again break this low. Again if goes retest, then take a sell and there may be a fall. Okay. Hope you understand what levels I have given. So if you have any doubt in the levels or any suggestion, if you want it in the comment section, you can just give a comment, or in the Telegram channel you can use the discussion group, and there you can ask about doubts in the our advanced indicator levels. Okay, thank you guys, thank you for watching.